do this book called Five Little Ducks.
That's fine. What is it?
Okay? Can everybody listen? It's by Ivan Bates. Five little ducks went out one day, over the hills and far away. Mother duck said, quack, quack, quack.
Oh man!
But only four little ducks came waddling back.
Man, I know this.
Four little ducks went out one day, over the hills and far away. Mother duck said, quack, quack, quack.
Who's quacking?
But only three little ducks came waddling back. Three little ducks went out one day, over the hills and far away. Mother duck said, quack, quack, quack. But only two little ducks came waddling back. Two little ducks went out one day, over the hills and far away. Mother duck said, quack, quack, quack. But only one little duck came waddling back. One little duck went out one day, over the hills and far away. Mother duck said, quack, quack, quack. But no little ducks came waddling back.
Yes, tears coming from me.
Sad Mother duck went out one day, over the hills and far away. Mother duck cried, quack, quack, quack. And all five little ducks came waddling back. So this book was about them subtracting one duck every time. Yes.
I had something I think I know. I think I heard that from like.
You've heard that before? It's a song.
Yeah.
They put it in a book with pictures.
It's a song. It's a song. It's a CD.
Well, what we're going to do is we're going to do subtraction with these little ducks, alright? So this is what we're going to do. I'm going to say, this is an example. There were two little ducks sitting around the pond. One jumped in and decided to swim. So I'm going to have the duck jump in the pond. How many ducks are sitting around the pond?
One.
One, right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to write two, because there were two ducks sitting around the pond. Then one jumped in, so I'm going to say minus. Does everybody remember this is minus?
Yeah.
So minus 1 equals
I can't see.
1, right. Two little ducks sitting around the pond minus 1 jumping in equals 1, right?
I know that.
All right. Now, I'm going to start off letting you guys do the problem.
Everybody's gonna get a turn.
I'm going to try to have everybody get a turn. We'll see, okay? I'm going to draw sticks.
On our bottoms and on our spots right now.
So, I need Brody,
Every one of you.
M,
Darren, you need to scoot down.
Merritt, Ava.
Go back to your spot.
Get that.
Guys, she didn't tell you to sit up. Go ahead and sit back down. Wait till she tells you.
Jacob,
Merrick. Back at your spot.
and Corbin. Aww. We'll do it more.
Corbin is out.
Oh. Dixie. Alright. So, now not everybody might not get to put theirs on. So there were 5 little ducks sitting around the pond. Can some of you guys start putting ducks on there and stop when there's 5?
Good. If you put your duck on, sit back down.
There's one more
Alright.
duck missing.
Oh, Ava still has her duck, but one jumped in and decided to swim. Can you show me that, Ava? Can you take a duck and put one in. One jumped in and decided to swim. Can you show me that? Take one of those ducks. One jumped in and decided to swim.
Michael gets to swim.
How many ducks are sitting around the pond?
4.
Can we count them?
1, 2, 3,
4. So 5 minus the 1
Paisley, on your bottom.
equals
4.
4. Good job. Let's do another one. Kendra, Anna, and Easton. You get one. All right, there were 3 little ducks sitting around the pond. Can you show me 3 ducks sitting around the pond? 1.
Paisley, you need to sit on your bottom crisscross.
3.
You cannot have your legs spread out.
Good
Be
job.
careful.
Here's 3 ducks sitting around the pond.
One jumped in.
How about 2 jumped in and decided to swim? Connor, can you show me 2 jumping in? Show me 2 jumping in. That was Cassie's not here. 2 jumped in and decided to swim. Can you show me that?
I guess my dog really wanted to swim. I guess my dog really wanted to swim. Your duck just got
So can anybody tell me how many ducks are sitting around the pond now?
2. 1. 2. 1.
Let's count them.
Like 1.
1. So 3 ducks were sitting there. 2 jumped in. So now there's only 1. So 3 minus 2 equals 1. Right. Let's do another one. I need 6 little ducks now.
Oh, God.
Uh-oh. Let's see. Bella, Bree, Saren, Paisley, Brayden, and Layla.
She called your name. Oh, no. I didn't get it. Did you call me? I think mine is my bottom. Yeah, she called you.
All right, there were 6 little ducks sitting around the pond. Around the pond. Once you pick your duck up, sit back down.
Oh, you're on my spot. You're on my spot.
Oh, I am.
Hey, what are you doing?
All right, 4 jumped in and decided to swim. Keegan, can you show me 4 jumping in?
I come up to the same one later.
So there were 6 ducks.
Paisley, you need to be on your spot now.
All right, so 6 are sitting around and 4 are jumping in. So 6 minus 4. Can you show me that?
Okay,
Put
together.
4 in the pond.
Paisley, you can't lay down. Put your crisscross on sauce. Paisley. Thank you. Easton, you need not to lay down. You need to sit up and crisscross. Same with you.
Can you show me 4? Just 4 should be in the pond. How many is that, Kiwi?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
There we go. All right, how was B? How many ducks are sitting around the pond?
4.
Count with me. Around the pond. 1, 2, 2. Can you guys say this sentence with subtraction sentence with me? 6 minus 4 equals 2. What does 6 mean? Which in this sentence? What was 6? Anybody know?
It was all of the ducks.
All of the ducks down here. What was 4?
The ducks in the pond.
How many ducks jumped in the pond? So what was 2?
That was the one sitting next to them.
Right. Very good. Now I'm going to see if someone can show me their own little problem with the ducks. Make their own problem up.
I do. 2 people that
Brody F. Can you show me your own? Here. You can do up to 6 ducks. Use however many you want. Let's start here. Start here.
You need to be on your spot now. Back it up. Back it up.
Gonna do 4. Okay, you want to start with 4? How many do you want to have jump in the pond? How many do you want to have jump in the pond? So you have 4 minus 1, 2, 3. 4 minus 3. How would it say up here, Brody? What does that equal? Can you write the sentence out for me? Or do you know how to do it? You did 4 minus 3 equals 1. Do you think you can write that right here? 4. You had 4 at first. Minus. How many did you take away? 1, 2, 3. So you write 3. 4 minus 3. Can you write equal sign? Equals. How many was left? 1. Very good. Everybody give him a hand. All right. Huh?
You can stop now.
Does somebody else want to give it a try?
I can't.
Oh, wait. I have one more stick left, and it is Brooke.
I think Jace's stick is missing out of there.
Oh, is
I
it?
think it got broke. Jason, have you had a turn? Yeah, I think her
Okay.
stick got broke.
I'll let them
Mrs.
both do
Stevens
one.
was
We'll
missing.
start off with Brooke, okay? And then I'll let you do one after.
I'm
Wanna have
gonna
a seat
cheer
for a sec?
again, and then I'll do my own.
Because you
And
did
then
two.
I do that. How come I didn't do one? I only did one.
How many ducks do you want? 2? You want to
Oh,
stick
you
with
did that.
Connor.
2 little ducks around the pond.
Brody. Anna.
Okay, how many do you want to jump in the pond? 1. Put 1 in there. So you did 2 minus 1 equals 1. Can you write that out for me? So you had 2 minus, do you remember the minus sign? 1 equals, do you know the equal sign? And how many did it equal? Very good. Did everybody see that? Give Brooke a hand. She did so good. All right, Jason, your turn. However many ducks you want to use.
I'm hungry.
Come on.
Brody F.
1,000, 5,000, 6,000.
All right, you want to start off with 6 little ducks. How many do you want to jump in the pond? You want 4 to jump in? Have them jump in. Now how many are left?
2.
Right, so you did 6 minus 4 equals 2. Can you write it for me? Right here. So you did 6 minus, do you remember the minus sign? There you go. 4 equals, you know the equal sign? How many was it? Very Can everybody give Jason a hand? She did wonderful. So guys, if you're trying to figure out a problem and you see 6, everybody listen. When you're trying to see a problem, figure out a problem, you see 6 minus 4 equals 2. If you saw there was 6 little circles and you wanted to subtract, we'll go say 4, then you can just cross out 4, and this is how many your answer would be, right?
2.
All right. Everybody can go back to their seat and I'll give them a paper.